Alright guys, let's go check out the new lawnmower. It's a fixer-upper. Just found this guy. This one here is guaranteed to start. Nice. I'm gonna hold him to that too, man. I need this one because it has the front wheel drive on it, the sprockets and all. This is it's a hot machine. We'll get her going. It's got the necessary things for a very marketable lawnmower. What you do, man? Alright, let's look at some lawnmowers, guys. So basically, I found all of this stuff. It's all the same type of lawnmower, and a couple of them are the self-propelled ones. Nice. This one is a Craftsman. I guess they're still around. Another Craftsman. Found all these things. This is an old one that I built. Just finding them, fixing them up and selling them. $100 minimum. A couple of engines. Right, righteous raw base. Make some money on that hustle. Righteousness.